Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. First of all, Happy New Year 2024, and I wish all the happiness, good health and prosperity to all of you. Last year I promised to upload at least one video a week, but I failed successfully. That's a good achievement. I accept that I have disappointed you guys. The reason I wasn't uploading new content is due to my personal schedule. Having a full-time job and making content for YouTube is hard to manage, from script writing, recording, editing and so on. But from this year I have decided to take some time off from the work and dedicate to this channel. I have been receiving mixed requests for the content: web development, programming, ethical hacking, bug bounty and something like this. Right now I haven't decided anything yet, so comment down below and let me know in which topic you guys want to dive in this year. And I promise I will deliver the content. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you guys in my next video.